What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Bash Marcy. Today I got myself a traxxas bandit VXL brushless. So the reason why you guys are wondering why I got it? I mean, you guys can pretty much guess it out. It got the width. It got the brushless system. Got TSM. It got the 3500 kV brushless motor, the VXL 3S ESC, the TQI controller. So, what more can you ask for, right? It's a package deal. Nah, but anyways, it ain't about that. Well, part of it, yeah, but this is not a review. This is me showing you guys here what I picked up and why I picked it up, alright? So I picked up the traxxas bandit VXL brushless. It doesn't come with the battery, so you know, for the application that I'm using it for, you won't really need it. So let's just get on to it. Anyways, I've already opened it, so there it is. And here it is, guys. That is my traxxas bandit VXL. Looks good, looks clean. So part one of this video is the layout of the car. So now that we got the layout and you guys know, this is what I built and I enjoyed doing it. It was fun. This thing's fast on 3S, and to make this build a little bit more easier, I got me a bandit. But you guys can go get the brush model, which is a little cheaper, but you know, if you guys have the money, go ahead and spend that little extra if you want and have it already brushless. And that's basically what I did. So there's my part one, there's my layout. We'll go ahead and drive her around like that. Anyways, that'll be it. Towards the end of this video, well, pretty much now, we're gonna go ahead and give her a quick run outside, see how she runs straight out the box. I'm gonna put her on a 2S, Gen Ace 2S, 5200 milliamp at 35C, and just kind of run her around outside a little bit. And hope you guys enjoy the runs, and you know, stay tuned for the part two of the video where we're gonna strip everything down, get the LCG chassis put on it, and then maybe you guys can help me figure out, you know, what tires, what rims, pretty much the whole wheel setup, color scheme, and stuff like that. And then I'll see what kind of bodies they have at my local RC shop. So, but for right now, this is it, and we're gonna go ahead and go outside and give her a run for it. Stay tuned.
I see yours. Go, Daddy.
Alright guys, there it is. My traxxas bandit on 2S. Y'all should comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. You know, let me know what you guys think about it. I actually like it. That's pretty dope.